Building Wealth, The Path to Financial Freedom. Chapter 1, Video number 6. Credit Card Catastrophe, Adding Fuel to the Fire. Using your credit cards wisely can have a significant impact on your credit score and long-term financial well-being. It's important to understand that credit cards are playing a crucial role in the current student loan crisis. Banks have made the credit card application process incredibly easy, often to the point that applicants hardly remember applying. I vividly remember opening my first bank account in freshman year. What was supposed to be a simple checking account, transformed into a checking account, savings account, brokerage account, and credit card account without even knowing how it came about. For many students, owning a credit card has become second nature and is often tied to their bank account. Surprisingly, 77% of colleges accept credit cards for tuition payments, which can lead to financial problems if students lack the appropriate financial management skills. Using a credit card to pay for college tuition can lead students to inadvertently pay off high-interest credit card debt instead of a low-interest student loan, falling into the trap banks set to extort more money from young clients. While most people know how to swipe a credit card, many people don't know how to effectively pay off their balance. It's important to understand credit card interest rates because banks make money by adding interest to your outstanding balance each month. In 2020, the average college student had $3,280 in credit card debt, and 38% of that was in arrears. This type of debt has caused students more financial difficulties than even their student loans. This data highlights the lack of awareness and education about the responsible use of credit cards. Without proper understanding, people can easily fall into a spend now, pay later cycle. It led to years of financial difficulties.